Bajato Presents. Rear combination lamp TL349 replacement for Mitsubishi Canter. This is a very strong, sturdy and nice lamp. It has polypropylene housing, metal cover at the back and P.M.M.A lens. This lamp has reverse function, tail stop function and rear direction indicator function. We have the wire harness with a 6-pin coupler. This is sheet metal dust cover at the back. You can mount this lamp to the truck with the help of these 3 welded nuts. The back cover is mounted to the body with the help of these 2 screws. You can see the housing comes with these reinforcements. There is an accurate number of wires for all the functions. This lamp is available in sets of left and right. This is a great lamp for Mitsubishi Canter trucks and also universal trailer application. You can use a 21 watts bulb and indicator function, 21 watts, 5 watts double function lamp for tail stop function and 5 watts or 10 watts bulb for reverse function. You can put both 12 volts or 24 volts bulbs in this lamp. This is a strong and reliable product from Bajato, and when you buy this you get value for money and long product life.